In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to easily calculate square roots in your spreadsheet software using a quick and efficient formula method. First, let's unlock the power of cell formulas to find square roots. In the cell where you want the result, start by typing the equal sign. Think of this as telling your spreadsheet, "Hey, I'm about to give you a command." This equal sign initiates a formula that instructs your spreadsheet to perform calculations or manipulate data in some way. Once you have this foundation set, move on to specifically identifying the cell that contains the number for which you want to find the square root. You'll do this by typing the reference of that cell. For example, if your number is in cell A1, after the equal sign, you'll write A1. Now we need to tell the software that we're looking for a square root. In spreadsheet terms, this means using the caret symbol, which looks like a little hat or triangle pointing upwards and is written as A. This symbol is used to denote exponents in your formulas here. Following this caret, type in parentheses the number 1 divided by 2, like this, 1/2. Why, you may ask? Well, taking the square root of a number is mathematically equivalent to raising that number to the power of 1/2. So by typing out 1/2, you're instructing Excel or Google Sheets, or whatever software you're using, to perform this power operation. When you've typed out the formula with the caret and the fraction, go ahead and press Enter. Magically, the square root of the number will appear in the cell, calculated precisely as you specified. If you have several numbers to process, you could even drag and copy this formula across multiple cells, and the software will cleverly adapt the formula to reference the correct cell in each case. An alternative method, if you don't have a number already in a cell, or if you're dealing with a specific number, is to start the process with the equal sign as before and then type the actual number you want to find the square root for. Follow it immediately with the caret symbol and then the fraction, 1/2. So for example, if you wish to find the square root of 16, you would type esto 16, 1/2. When you hit Enter, the result will appear right there, saving you the trouble of manually calculating or double checking. And there you have it. A straightforward way to calculate square roots using your spreadsheet software without fuss. By mastering this formula technique, your tasks become quicker and more efficient, giving you more time to focus on analyzing or presenting the data. Thanks for watching and happy calculating.